Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize start menu in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to customize your start menu, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to simply go to search and here just search for settings. And now once you are in settings, just go to personalization and here go to start. The very first thing you have to make sure that your Windows is up to date. You might haven't any pending update for your Windows. So once you have done this with personalization, and here you go to start. Now in start you must see this recommended folder here. And now this time you can see I have any recommendations here, but if I try to enable these toggles, I might get here recommendations. Now when you click on show all, you might see all the recommendations or all the recent apps you have added to your PC. Now in this use or show most used apps, so you just have to enable this from here. Now once you have enabled, go to start section again, and here it will suggest you which app you usually use. So after that you just have to go down or scroll down. Here you will see show mobile device and start. So here you can see I have this section which is my mobile section. So if I try to connect my phone, I'll be able to see my phone here. So if I'm going to turn it off, I'm not able to show this anymore. So here the show account related notifications. So you can see that when off, required notification are still shown. So you just have to disable this. Once I have disabled, here you might see changes like this. So just enable this and let's see what added here. So if you might see any account related notifications, so after enabling that, you can see that notifications here in your start menu. Just go to folders and here you can see different folders you can add to your start menu. So I'm gonna add settings, file explorer, documents, downloads, notice picture, and just enable this however you want to. Let's just go there and here you might see these folders here. You can see I've already added these folders here. So if I'm going to start anyone from here, these might be open. Just go to file explorer and it will open file explorer here. So in these ways you can personalize your start menu. In latest editions of Windows 11, you must see the layout section over the recommended here. You'll be able to find at most three layouts. You can select which one you want to add to your PC or add to your start menu. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.